Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS System Kami. Welcome to the next part of video in our Core Java for Automation series. The last video we saw about the different methods we saw, right? The user-defined methods and inbuilt methods, parameterized methods and non-parameterized methods we saw in the previous video. Okay, in this video we are going to see some operators. Okay, so through operators we can do some basic calculations, right? We can do, okay, and operators is also used to check some conditions and return true or false. Okay, so in the Salem or the other automation world, right, we check whether browser is launched or not, right, whether the URL is passed or not, whether it's moved to next page or not, whether the title of the page is there or not, right. We'll check some conditions. Normally we use hazards, right, to check the condition, right? We use Hamcrest matches, we use assets, test ng assert, assert dot assert equals to check the expected and actual results we use. But these are all very simple things what you are going to see now. Okay, so now, right, operators, right? We'll create a class here. Okay, arithmetic operators example. Okay, I'll write add the main method, the entry point of execution. Okay, so public static void main is added here. Okay, hope we saw what is public static void main in the previous video. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, right, as I told you, there are some different operators: arithmetic operator, relation operator, logical operator, and assignment operator. Okay, and unary operator. So there are different operators. We'll see some operators today. Okay, so first, right, for example, I'm just assigning two values here. Okay, a int a equal to some 40, and right, b equal to some 50 here. Okay, so I'm just assigning two variables a b and to a value for both of them. Okay, now will just print it. Okay, I'll give siso, right, print. Okay, okay, right, print, right, I'll give addition. Okay, then I'll give a colon equal to some space, then I'll give an right concatenation, then I'll give a bracket a, right, plus b. So what happened, this is an right additional operator where this all these operators are called as arithmetic operators, like plus, minus, subtraction, division, and modulus. So all these things are called as, right, arithmetic operators. Okay, here plus is an operator, right, a plus b, right, this is an operator. Okay, if I run it, right, plus 90, it just added and it printed 90 now. Okay, same thing, I can give subtraction here. Okay, I can give, these are all basics, but some people doesn't know Java completely, they want to learn from the scratch. For them it will be very very helpful. Multiplication. Okay, I give star. Okay, Okay, I give a right division, right? So here all the four operators are there: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Suppose, right, we want to also check modulus operator. I'll copy this. Hope you know system dot out dot println is to print the right output in the console. Okay, for that we use system dot out dot println. Okay, so now it gives the modulus. Okay, let me run it now. So you can see, right, it did all things, right? Right, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and it got the modulus also, the remainder also it got. Okay, so all these things are called as arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic. Okay, arithmetic operators. Okay, next we'll see, right, relational operators. Okay, so we'll use the same, right, a b value right here for this arithmetic relational operators also. We'll use the same thing. Okay, for example, right, I'll copy again this out. Suppose, right, I want to check, right, a, right, equal to b. Okay, I want to check whether a is equal to b or not. For that, if I give, it's going to check whether the a is equal to b. If it is right, equal, it prints true. Otherwise, it prints false here. Okay, so that is what is going to happen. Okay, suppose, right, I want to check whether it's not equal to, right. If it is not equal to, I'll go here. I'll give not equal to. Okay, now suppose, right, a is greater than b. If I want to check a is greater than b, I can give a greater than. Okay, okay, if I want to check less than, right, all these things are called as an relational operators. Okay, okay, so all these things are called as an greater than b, or then we can use greater than or equal to, right, b. Less than equal to, okay, greater than equal. So these are all very basics, right, and to learn automation. Okay, so I'll run the code now. So you can see, right, a equal to b is false, a is not equal to b true, a is greater than b false, and a less than b true, and a less than equal to b true, and a greater than equal to b false. So it checks all these conditions and returns true or false. Okay, now here we saw arithmetic operators, we saw relational operators. We'll also see, right, logical operators. Okay, so here, right, we'll have a condition and or no, and or. Okay, we are going to see check the condition and or. Okay, So for that we are going to do use the same a equal to b, a equal to 40 and b equal to 50. I'll copy this out again and I'll paste it. Okay, here what is the condition is, right? It's going to check a less than b. Okay, I'll remove this. Okay, it's going to check two conditions here: a less than b, and we'll use an right uncondition here, and right b greater than 0. B greater than 0. It checks whether a is less than b and b is greater than true. Here what happens? No, this is an uncondition. If both is true, right, it will print true. Otherwise, it will print false. Okay, let me run. See, it's true. A is less than b, right? A is less than b. A is 40, b is 50 is less than b, and b is greater than 0. Okay, suppose, right, I give 60. So it's false. Okay, it checks both the condition is true or not. Okay, now I will again copy this one. Okay, I'll get R now. So first we checked and now we'll check the R now. Okay, R is, I'll give a pipeline. Okay, here either one is satisfied, it will print true. Okay, so now I'll run it. See, is true because first condition is true, second condition is false. So either one satisfied, it prints true. Okay, so that is the difference between right and or. Okay, now let's go for an assignment operator. Okay, assignment means it's word itself telling, right, we are assigning some values here. Here we will use the same thing: a equal to 40, b equal to 50. Okay, I'm assigning a value here, a, right, plus, okay, equal to 55. Okay, so what happens, already there is one a value, in that we are going to add, right, add 55 here. So that is what we are doing here. Okay, we're going to add a, right, already some a values there, I'm going to add it. Okay, now I'm going to add 50, right, 55 here, right, in a. Okay, now I'm going to print it. Okay, SYSO. Okay, double quotes, a, a. Okay, now I'll print it. So it's 95. In 40 it added 55. So what it does is, right, this silently does this work: a equal to a plus 55, both are same. Okay, so this value, this assignment is tell us this one, this the this calculation. Okay, so now same thing if I want to multiply something. Okay, if b, okay, star, right, equal to 2. Okay, I'm just taking the space again here. Okay, I'm giving B here. Okay, I'll run the code now. See, right, B is equal to 100. 50 into 2, it's 100 now. Okay, so like this, we can play with operators in Java. Okay, we saw four operators. One is arithmetic operator, next one is relational operator, third one is logical operator, and fourth one is assignment operators. Okay, hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Meet you soon in the next part of video.